how much should you actually spend on outdoor LED floodlights? It's interesting because some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others regret splurging on pricier models. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality, and to find the right fit, we need to explore some real options.
Product number 1, Google Nest Cam with floodlight. Now, this is more than just a floodlight. It's a smart security camera too. It's priced at a premium, but if you want top-notch outdoor security plus lighting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product is crucial for you. It features HD resolution and night vision, which means you can see details clearly even at night. The built-in motion sensor can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, sending alerts directly to your phone. That's peace of mind when you're away from home. Plus, it offers 3 hours of free event video history, and you can expand that with a Nest Aware subscription. Now, some people have mentioned that they find the installation a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the convenience of monitoring your property from anywhere really outweighs the initial hassle. If you're someone who values security and smart tech, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive security solution along with your floodlight. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic outdoor lighting without the smart features. Considering everything it offers, it's a solid investment.
Product number 2, Wenatty Solar Spotlights. We have the Wenatty Solar Spotlights, a 12-pack that's priced at $69.99. What caught my eye is the fact that you get 46 LEDs per light, which promises some serious brightness. If you want to illuminate a large area without worrying about electricity bills, this one's worth checking out. These lights offer 3 brightness modes, allowing you to customize the intensity based on your needs. For instance, the low mode lasts over 20 hours, which is great for gentle nighttime illumination. The IP65 waterproof rating means they can handle the elements, making them reliable year-round. Plus, you can stake them in the ground or mount them on walls, which gives you flexibility in your setup. Some users did mention that the brightness could be a bit underwhelming in comparison to traditional floodlights. But honestly, if you're looking for solar-powered options that won't add to your electric bill, this is a minor trade-off for eco-friendliness and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, environmentally conscious solution for your garden or yard. Skip this one if you need super bright lights for security purposes. With their long-lasting battery and warranty, they offer good value for your money.
Product number 3, INCX Solar Lights. Let's talk about the INCX Solar Lights. Priced at just $24.99 for a 2-pack, these lights really caught my attention because of their motion sensor capabilities. If you want a simple way to light up your entryways or patios when someone approaches, this is definitely worth considering. These lights feature a 120-degree motion sensor that activates when someone is detected, providing up to 30 seconds of illumination. That's ideal for outdoor safety. Equipped with 156 LEDs, they pump out 3,000 lumens, which is pretty impressive for solar lights. The IP65 waterproof rating means they can withstand rain and snow, so no worries there. However, some users have pointed out that they need direct sunlight for effective charging, which might be a drawback if your installation area is shaded. But here's the thing. If you have a well-lit spot to mount them, the ease of installation and functionality makes this a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-install option for motion-activated lighting. Skip this one if you have limited sunlight exposure in your installation area. For the price, these lights are a fantastic deal.
Product number 4, Gone Home PAR38 LED Floodlights. At $15.99, these bulbs are designed to replace traditional 200-watt bulbs while using only 20 watts. If you want to save on your energy bill without sacrificing brightness, this option deserves your attention. These LED bulbs deliver 1,800 lumens of daylight lighting with a wide 180-degree beam angle, perfect for illuminating large outdoor areas. They're also dimmable, allowing you to adjust the light to fit your mood or occasion. With a lifespan of up to 25,000 hours, you won't need to worry about frequent replacements. Some reviews did mention that the light quality isn't as warm as some might prefer, being rather bright and crisp. But honestly, if you're using these for security or outdoor events, that brightness is actually a benefit. They're easy to install too, fitting standard E26 sockets. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient solution for outdoor lighting. Skip this one if you're looking for warmer toned lighting for a cozy atmosphere. Considering the lifespan and efficiency, they're definitely a cost-effective choice.
Product number 5, Sunco Outdoor Floodlight Bulbs. We have the Sunco Outdoor Floodlight Bulbs, a 6-pack priced at $28.99. These bulbs are weatherproof and designed for reliability. If you want a dependable lighting option for your outdoor fixtures, this is a solid pick. These PAR 38 bulbs provide 1,050 lumens of brightness while being dimmable, which means you can adjust the ambiance as needed. They are UL certified for safety, ensuring high-quality performance. Plus, the waterproof design makes them suitable for all weather conditions, so you won't have to worry about rain or snow affecting them. However, some users have reported issues with the dimming function not being as smooth as they expected. But here's the thing. If you prioritize durability and weather resistance over perfect dimming, these bulbs still hold their ground well in outdoor settings. This is perfect for you if you need reliable outdoor lighting that stands up to the elements. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced dimming features. Given their price and quality, they offer great value for outdoor lighting needs.
So there you have it. From the smart capabilities of the Google Nest Cam to the budget-friendly INCX solar lights, each product offers something unique. Whether you prioritize security, energy efficiency, or affordability, there's an option for everyone. Make sure to pick the one that best fits your needs.